Windows 11 can be a bit overwhelming right out of the box. There's a ton of features, but a lot of them just slow you down or get in your way. So let's fix that with a couple of quick changes to make your PC run faster and smoother. Speed up your startup. Let's kick things off by getting rid of those unnecessary apps that slow your computer down right when you boot it up. Windows 11 loves to load a bunch of stuff that doesn't need to be running. So here's what you need to do. Open your settings, head to apps, and then go to startup. From here, you can turn off any app that you don't need to start immediately. Plus, from the task manager, sort startup by startup impact and disable any high entries that you don't need at boot. By doing this, your PC will start up much faster and you'll free up resources that are just sitting there doing nothing. Let StorageSense do the cleanup for you. Instead of manually going through your files, let Windows do this for you. To set this up, just go to Settings, then System, and find Storage. From there, turn on StorageSense and set it to clean up every single week. It'll clear out all that junk like temp files, system cache, and other unnecessary clutter. You'll notice your PC running smoother, and you won't have to worry about deleting random files anymore. These little tweaks will make your system feel cleaner right away, but if you want a hands-off way to keep your PC fast, then check out our video covering the tools that we tested that do all of this automatically. Be sure to hit the like button if you found a new tip in this video, and drop a comment to let us know which tweak made the biggest difference in your setup. But as always, thank you so much for watching. This has been Safety Detectives, keeping your tech running fast, clean, and under control, and we'll see you in the next video.